Hey guys, what's up? And today we will be, playing with the cat. The reason I decided to film this video is because my cat's really cute. What in the world are you doing? I don't know what my cat's doing right now. Let me show you. Look at my cat. My cat is so freaking funny. Look at my cat. Like, how cute are you? Zelda, you're so cute. Hi. She's so cute. Look at her. Look at her flipping chicken butt. Oh my freaking God. Yeah, that's Zelda. See you when we get in my room. We're back in my room again. Okay, y'all. So we're in my room, and I want to show y'all something. Y'all, I know this is not sponsored, by the way, but y'all need to get a series of books. You need to get Ramona in Pieces, Ramona the Brave. Yeah? Look at my cat. She's in my brother's room right now. Look at her. Come here. Cutie, come here. She doesn't like being filmed. Come here. Let me pet you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.